Hey knowledge seekers, welcome to Mindful Mentors 12, your hub for transformative education. Today we're diving into gaming for problem-based learning. Imagine playing games like Eco to tackle real-world challenges like environmental sustainability. We'll share 10 actionable strategies to boost your skills for school, work, or life. Hit that like button, grab a notebook, and let's jump in. Strategy 1. Understand problem-based learning in gaming. PBL involves solving open-ended challenges through critical thinking. Games like Eco simulate issues like resource management. Research shows PBL games improve problem-solving by 22%. Strategy 2. Choose PBL-focused games. Pick games that tackle real issues. Cities. Skylines focuses on urban planning. Keep Talking builds teamwork. Steam now tags games for PBL applicability. Strategy 3. Set PBL goals. Set specific goals like reducing pollution in Eco or designing sustainable cities. Apps like Todoist now integrate with gaming platforms. Goal-oriented gaming boosts retention by 25%. Strategy 4. Simulate real-world challenges. Games mirror real issues using AI to mimic real-world variables. These simulations improve decision-making by 18%. Play 30 minutes daily to practice complex problem-solving. Strategy 5. Collaborate in multiplayer games. Team up in games like Eco or Among Us to solve problems together. Strategy 6. Research game challenges. Use city planning challenges to research real solutions. AI tools help find relevant data fast. Strategy 7. Apply game solutions to real life. Use Eco's environmental strategies for real actions like reducing waste. Apps like Notion connect game lessons to real tasks. Applying game skills improves project success by 20%. Strategy 8. Track PBL progress. Apps sync with gaming platforms for seamless progress tracking. Strategy 9. Join PBL gaming communities. Connect on Discord, Reddit's game-based learning, and X for tips and strategies. Strategy 10. Balance gaming for growth. Limit gaming to 1-2 hours daily to maximize PBL gains and avoid burnout. Let's recap. From choosing PBL games to balancing gaming, these 10 strategies use video games to solve real-world issues in 2025. Start playing with purpose today. Which strategy are you trying first? Share in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12. Hit the bell for weekly updates and check our PBL gaming guide below. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers.